ուրեմն դրակ 3-4 Եվ վասն սրբովո ասվածազգի բարեխոսությանն դեր ընգազ աղաշանս մեր և գեցոզ մեզ։
Սուրբ ասվածազինն և բարեխոսության սուրբս հարասուկ մորձայն չքսեմ։
Սյալ ողորմեսիվ կտացյալ գեցսե։ Եկալ դեր զաղաչանս մեր բարեխոսությամբ սրբովո ասվածազին անարած զնողի միասդի որդոքո եղաչանոք ամենան սրբոցրոց և ավրշնոյվ լուր մեզ դեր և ողորմյա, ներյա, կավյա և տողыз մեղыз մեր։ Արժանավորյա կողության պարավորելս կեզդ կորպևն սրպոպույտ, այժմ և մի շիվավիդյանը սավիդենից, ամեն։ Թակավոր և նավոր։ Թակավոր և هذا الكنيسة الأرمنية الأبوستوليك أرثوذكسية
أهلا وسهلا
مركز لبنان
أهلا وسهلا أهلا وسهلا شرفتونا
إذا بتريد احكي عربي ما مثل ما زي ما تريد
ممكن نقول
عربي والإنجليزي تفضل
You are welcome in our monastery here, the Holy Virgin Mary Syrian. 5 churches are having the same dogma. The Armenian church, the Syrian church and the Coptic and the Ethiopian and Indian church. This area where we are called the Western Desert, where Saint Macarius the Great established the monasteries here in the 4th century. We have 2 centers of monastic life, the Eastern Desert, Saint Anthony and Saint Paul, on the border of the Red Sea, and here on the Western Desert, the Skitos or Valley of Natun, this area for Saint Macarius who established the monasteries here. He established 4 monasteries in the 4th century, Saint Macarius. He went and took the blessing of Saint Anthony in 330. He addressed him the attire of monastic monk, and he came here. First he established Paramos for the Romans, the monastery for the Romans. Second was Saint Macarius. Third and fourth was Saint Michael and Saint John de Shore. later on before he departed, St. Macarius. This monastery was built in the 5th century, after 100 years after the monasteries of St. Macarius. Councils, there was Nicene Council, Nicaea Council, Constantinople Council, where they put the Holy Creed. The third council was Ephesus Council, where all the patriarchal bishops convened in 431, and they discussed the problem of the heresy of Nestorius, who said that Jesus Christ sent Mary, conceived and bring forth a son or a man, then the divine nature followed this man. The heresy was discussed in this convention or this council, and they exiled Nestorius, and they confirmed the title of Theotokos, the Mother of God. This the Coptic monks attend new monasteries beside the old ones, called the Lady of San Bishoy, the Lady of Baramos, the Lady of San Macarius. 4 new monasteries in the 5th century was established to confirm the title of Theotokos, the Mother of God. This one of the Theotokos monasteries that was built in the 5th century beside the cave of San Bishoy. The cave of San Bishoy, at the end of the church, it's a very nice cave from the 4th century, where he practiced his solitude, his seclusion or calmness. He came in this cave beside his monastery, which is not far, like 150 meters from this area. On the 5th century, they took the center, like this cave, and they built the church. It's a cross-shaped church, basilical type, and having semi-domes, nice semi-domes. The frescoes was painted by the Coptic monks. Later on, the Syrian came in the 8th century. They were with the Coptic monks like 2 sisters in this monastery. They stayed till the 16th century. They used this church for their masses, and the other church, the Holy Virgin Mary, the cave for the Coptic monks. We can see the door where the Syrian monks in the 10th century. It's written in Syriac language here on the top that this door was made in 913. In the beginning of the 10th century by the abbot called Moses. He made it from the cedar wood inlaid with ivory. It has some meanings. The first, they put Saint Mary, our Holy Virgin Mary, and Jesus Christ. They put Saint Mark, the first patriarch of Alexandria, Saint Ignatius, first patriarch of Antioch of Syria. Both were martyrs in the beginning of Christianity. The first row we can see big crosses intersecting with circles. This in the apostolic era, the church was strong. It was one church around the world, and there was strength in the church. The believers were very strong in their belief. In the 4th century, at the time of reign of Constantine Emperor, the big cities around the world, Rome, Alexandria, Constantinople, Antioch, and Ephesus, and Jerusalem, big centers of Christianity in the 4th century, where they put the Edict of Milano. The persecution decreased at that time, that the Christians were able to build churches over ground, not on the caves underground. In the 7th century, they presented the sign of Islam when they came in Egypt. So they presented the sign of Islam with the cross in the 7th century, where they came, and in Egypt were Muslims and Christians starting from this time. The swastika, the Eastern religion in India, they have this sign where we interpret this like the heresies, the materialistic idolatry, the deviation of our belief from the right faith from what Jesus Christ gave us in the Bible. So the heresy
symbolizes the sun also.
It symbolizes the sun. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Here nowadays, the crosses are many crosses, and they are not clear. So we say that the division of churches, a lot of sects and denominations around the world, and there's lukewarm, the spiritual lukewarm. And also the weakness of faith in life. People should be devoted to Jesus Christ, to their churches. The last thing, the shining cross, is the next coming of Jesus Christ for judgment, the end of the world, and the next coming of Jesus Christ for judgment. This is the elder monks, our interpretation about this door. I will open also the door and you can see the altar. You can take the blessing from the altar.
This is the altar, no?
Yes.
But don't allow the layman to go
Yeah,
please.
Please, sorry.
The layman can't go inside. فينا ندخل من الطرف ندخل من الطرف
المفتاح بس هيجيب المفتاح معلش. I can show you a fresco. This is from the 8th century, the 80th fresco. Saint Mary on her bosom, Jesus Christ sitting on her bosom. On your right side, Michael. On your right side, Gabriel Archangel and the shepherd. On your left side, Michael Archangel and the wise man, the Magi. On the top, the angels and the star of the nativity. This is from the 8th century. Over this, the Syrian monks made another layer of paintings of fresco over this one, which was taken off from this area, and we put it in the museum at the end of the church. But this is the old one from the 8th century. The new one is from the 13th century. We can see on the other side, on your left side, on this side, the Assyrian fresco from the Syrian fresco from 13th century, having the Nativity and Annunciation, the 13th century fresco. Behind this one there is another layer. You can see Saint Mary and Jesus Christ written on Syriac language and Coptic language. The Coptic language has 16 letters of the Greek language. Yeah. Some martyrs from the church, from the Cosmas and Damian, Cosman and Damian. Coltus is a physician, doctor from the 4th century during the ice. Saint Victor, Saint Theodore, Egyptian, Saint Theodore Oriental from Syria. A nice fresco showing Saint Mary the breastfeeding, which is about the heresy that came, the Docetic heresy that said about that the flesh of Jesus Christ is not real, it's imaginary. So this shows that this Christ has the same flesh like.
Շատ սիրելիներ, ներողություն։ Փախտեցեք Գիլիգյան մեր մանրանկարչությունները եւ ասբադերուն նկարչությունները։ Դիտի տեսեք, որ միևնույնն են։ Բացարձակապես դրդական անցիգա։ Ներողություն։ Ասիգա գուզեմ ծրուշական։ Դենոտրամ վրայ խաչերը հայերեն են։
Սբադին վրա հայերեն ծրուշ։
Այո։
Աս երկու բادرուն վրայեն հայերեն նախշերեն։
Ով կերարաչ դամիգ պուրյալեր մահով մահուտյան զնդոս երայի որ մեզ պրեցավ մաղնդի եզեր օրգոտյան դսկետ մեզ ասուսան
Ներողություն, միասնաբար ասենք Բահավան ամենայնի։ Բահավան ամենայնի Քրիստոս, աչքո հորանի վիցիվերա իմ, իդվե և իշերի, ինստիրի դամ, իքնալի ճանապար, ինընջել և իհարնել, զիմի երբեք սասանեցայց, և ողորմյա պարրածոս և ինձ կազմամերից, ամեն։
Oh
Խորանը ծածկված գլա ճիշտ եկեղեցից է, որ գնդարվես պայդաշեն գլա և վեմքարը սյունի վրա, ուղագի սյուն գելեքիդներ և սյունի վրա վեմքարը գլա։ Ահավասիկ դաղթաշեն և ծածկված եկեղեցվով, որ հորդական եկեղեցներում մեջ ուչի դեսա ես, հաստիկա օրնակ ասորական եկեղեցվով, որ մեր քույր եկեղեցին է և վստահապար, որ նույն ավանդություններ ունի, ահավասիկ հա եկեղեցու մեկ ավանդություն ևս։
Նախ իմաստություն Հոր Հիսուս և վերջին շարականը,
Իմաստություն Հոր Հիսուս, դուր ինձ իմաստություն, սպարիս խորհել և խոսել և գործել առաջի քո ամենայն ժամ, իշար խորհրդոց, իմանից և իգործոց, կրգյազիս, և ողորմյա, բարրազոց և ինձ պազմաներից։ Գոհություն եւ զորություն եւ փառք հավիտյան սերներից։ Ամեն։ Ամեն։ نغطي الهيكل محل ما بنعمل قداس هذا قانون كنائسي قديم وكمان هذا طقس ارمني
ايوه
كل الكنائس الارمنيه بيكون مثل كنيسه مغطايه لازم يكون ليش ما ممكن تعمل قداس بسما مفتوح ابدا ايوه
تمام
تفضل
القبه الجميله دي
اوه اكيد يجيس غير كمبيتن هاي سكسات كريتسي
الاسنشن اوف جيسس كرايست صعود المسيح الناحيه دي on the other side the transfiguration التجلي كده من الناحيه دي كده نشوف الناحيه دي البروفيسي اوف دانيال 7 دانيال شابتر 7 الانشنت اوف دايز on this side وهنا جيسس on the throne.
Have you printed the pictures?
Yeah, we have a small book.
Yes. I want to have that one.
Okay.
I want to mention something very important.
Yeah, okay.
Our manuscripts have miniatures. You know what is miniatures?
No.
The photos of the saints, but miniature.
Yeah.
All the miniatures here I am seeing is the same with the Armenian miniatures of the 12th century of history, of our history.
Yeah.